So the Mobius has never fit on here worth the crap since I put the video transmitter on there with that big old tie wrap. Put the bulk of the tie wrap right out front where I shouldn't have. Once you get the wire on there, it just has no support anymore. Here's the connecting wire. It's solid for 3/4 of an inch or so. Once you get it in the back of the camera to connect to the video transmitter, you still got an inch that's pretty rigid. I did kind of stick it back under, but then that induced the vibration, plus the fact that wasn't fully on the Velcro anymore. That's the vibration problems we were having at the end of the last. So I'm just going to go ahead and see what I mean. That's why we were having vibration problems at the end. So I figured I would fire it up and see what was going on with the motors and stuff. So I guess the first thing I should do is tie wrap the darn thing to this board again. Keep me from getting hurt. Nice heavy duty tie wraps too. And then see what's going on with them. Work on them. Face it. Yes, lady, I am going to turn it on. Fire it up. Arm it. Let's see what happens. Five motors out of 6 turn. Got a problem there. So we'll take the top plate off. I thought it would be good enough just to leave one screw left in it. Take that one out. Looks like I should have kind of taken it out and situated it there and attempted to take it out. We got it now. Top plate, unhook the video transmitter from the regulated 12 volts and unhook the PPM encoder from the 8-channel RC to the one wire going into the Pixhawk RCN. This camera tilted up. I guess we would inspect the top plate too. So this camera mount. The wire without it, that used to be great when it was like that. It was beautiful. But you couldn't see the high definition video until you brought it back to Earth and got the card out of it and took the video file on the card and looked at it. So there's a lot of spaghetti in there. I cleaned a lot of that up. I should have taken a picture of it after. So this is just going. Bye-bye. That foam, the white foam on top did help a lot. Pretty much did what I needed. Except for our, just wasn't quite right. So I have to change this ESC out over here. No fun whatsoever. Get the rest of it out real quick. Yes, all the lights still work. That's where all the common grounds come together from the LEDs on the top. With that small wire spaghetti on top of everything else. So I have to change out this ESC. And see if I can get that 6 motor working again. Well, I didn't take any post repair video, looks like, so I'll go ahead and tell the story. I did replace that ESC, all 6 motors started working, and I did some calibrations real quick and took it outside and flew it 2 flights. About 10 minutes per flight on one battery.